this is Vilma. I'm a furniture artist behind Renovel Sons of Renewal, and welcome to Redesign with Prima. Today I'm gonna talk to you a little bit about H2O Transfers, and Redesign with Prima came with 10 gorgeous designs, which I'm going to show you in a bit. Let me talk to you a little bit about these transfers. Filters activated with water. That means you will need water. You don't need this good stick at all for these transfers. I will be doing 2 projects where I'm going to show you how to use these transfers. But first of all, I'm going to show you the product. This is Brilliant Blooms. Let me show you how it came. So this is the package, how they came. It came in 2 sheets like this. And you have the design on the back, so you know exactly where are you adding or placing your transfer. So you can use it on any surface. You can try these beauties on wood, canvas, glass, clay, ceramic, paper, concrete. Any surface will fit with these beautiful transfers. You will need to take out this film. As you can see, this is a film. You're gonna place it on the furniture or on your project. Then you're gonna add some water with a sponge or with a cloth on the back, and then you're gonna pull out the paper and you will see. But let me show you the 10 different designs. Brilliant Blooms, let me show you. This is just gorgeous. Luminous Blooms is another design of flowers, and you have the design on the back also well, so you know where exactly are you adding or placing your transfer. Gorgeous. Always the design on the back. Look at this. Look at the design. So cute. Levels. And this one is Radiant Blooms. Let me show you. White Garden. This is Blossomy. Blossomy is just some black flowers. Just gorgeous. And this is a Springtime Peony. I'm gonna use these 2 in 2 projects. So let's do it. For this project, I choose this bamboo tray from a dollar store, which I painted with a neutral cream tone. I'm using Wild Garden. As you can see, they came in 2 sheets and the same design on the back in gray. Then I cut the edges. This way my design will fit into the tray. Now it's time to peel out the film. Then place your transfer face down so that you have the black image facing up. I like to use a microfiber cloth damped with water and start blotting. You can also use a sponge or a roller sponge, making sure all the transfer is covered with water. Then you'll peel the back and see this beautiful design. And this is how easy and quick it is to add H2O transfer to your project. And I also added the other floral design sheet to the size tray. And because this transfer is wet, you can use your fingers to apply your transfer correctly in case it didn't stick. And look how gorgeous came this simple tray. For our second project, I'm using these metal bases that I already painted with the same paint shade as the tray. I choose the H2O Transfers just levels. I'm cutting the ones I will be using on these bases. I like to have a bowl with water where I can drop my cloth. I found this way easier to work as you apply your H2O transfers. As you can see, this is the same and easy process. Select your design, peel out the protected film, lay down your transfer facing the black design up, damp your design with water, and reveal the design. You can use your fingers to help remove any bubbles you may have. I did the same process for my other bases. You can go and seal it with a water-based sealer. Then I decided to create some dimension to these bases by adding chalk paste in rosettes and spraying some water to blending. And these are the final results using H2O Transfers. Thank you so much for watching, and please give us a follow and a like and subscribe to our channel today.